Can you tell me your name and what city you're from?
My name's Terry, and I'm from Livonia, Michigan.
All right, Terry. What kind of problems led you into this office?
Back pain and pain going down my side, down my leg, from my back, and my knees.
Okay. And so you had back pain, you had sciatica. How long was that going on?
Oh, probably almost a year.
Almost a year?
Yeah.
And your knee pain, how long was that going on?
I guess it's been going on for quite a while, but it just got worse.
Okay. And so you had stem cell therapy done about 4.5 weeks ago.
Right.
What have you noticed since then? How was your back pain?
The back pain's gone.
And what about that
pain,
sciatica?
That's gone.
And what kind of improvement are you getting with your knees?
The right knee's not, that's not bothering me like it did, but the left one is.
And
but
what percentage are you?
It's like 75%.
75% improvement. Now, are you able to do things now without the pain that you used to have before?
Yes, it's a lot.
Or less pain, I should say.
A lot easier, yeah.
What are you noticing? Like stairs a little bit easier?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
What's the thing that you do now more than anything where you could say it's a lot easier that you notice the most? Is it walking, stairs? What would you say?
Yeah, probably walking down the stairs. Yeah, and before I had stand there washing dishes, then my back would hurt. But now I can do it.
Now you can do it without having all those problems. That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for this testimonial. I appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right, and what is your first name, sir?
Randall Denny?
Randall. Where are you from? What city?
Sarnia.
Excellent. What kind of problems were you having before you came to see us?
I had knee problems.
Knee problems. And how bad was it?
Severe enough that was painful.
Pretty
Really,
bad?
pretty
Affecting
bad.
you on a daily basis?
On a daily basis, I mean, every day was a chore.
What about stairs, stuff like that? Did you have a
Stairs,
hard
going
time?
up the stairs was difficult. Going down the stairs, not so bad, but going up the stairs, very difficult.
Okay. And let's see now, you've had this treatment that was done, what, 5 weeks ago?
5
4
weeks ago. 5 weeks ago.
What kind of changes have you noticed?
I noticed as soon as the injection came, that it wasn't immediate, but I could feel some relief, put it that way. The next day was awesome.
Okay. Now, what kind of percentage improvement have you had so far?
I would say my left knee, no, my right knee, I should say, was about, I would say about close to 90%.
90% on the left knee.
And my left knee was only about 65% freeze pain.
So 65% on the left knee, 90% roughly on the right knee. It's been about 4 or 5 weeks, and we know we still have months yet for you to continue to heal.
And I notice I'm walking on concrete floors. I don't feel the pain.
Wonderful.
And when I said climbing the stairs, I don't feel the pain. And I noticed that I don't try to run, but I try to increase my gait. And I find that it's not hurting at all.
Awesome. That's great news. I appreciate you sharing this with us. Thank
You're
you so
welcome.
much.